Yo, it's your brother 420, and I'm coming back into YouTube with a lot of different stuff to show you guys. So, this is an introduction, whole new view, whole new type of filming style, and I'll just give you guys a little peep of what's going on in this AC Infinity right here. We got, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, just a peep, but whole new video style. So brother 420, let's go. All right, so we're gonna get right into it. Right here, this one's looking frosty as hell. This is my flower room. I'm gonna be running through a couple of what I got in here, at least what I can get reach of to show you guys a couple of different things. But let me see what this is. So these will mainly have the first names that I crossed, but this was an apple fritter crossed to cherry pie, and we're looking good on that one. Looking fucking fire. And like I said, it's a bunch of stuff in here. Going to be doing a little bit of explaining, but a bunch of stuff in here because I am relocating. So for right now, I have to do the best of what I can do, and we put everything that I had in veg, everything that I had in mother form, everything that I had in clone form into flour, and that was a bit of a rush. So you're gonna be seeing things that are 3 weeks behind the others, 2 weeks behind the others, and some that are pretty much out the door. So let me walk through a little bit more of what we have here. This right here, this beast of a plant, fucking marvelous. This is actually cut from Coco Indoors. You can follow him on Instagram, but this is a cut of Trop cookies from Coco Indoors. It may have a little bit of a twist to the Trop cookies. You can ask him a little bit more about that, but this is a Trop cookies cut from Coco Indoors, and it's looking good, bro. This shit's crazy. Fucking beast. Showing out. Look at his page, you'll see pretty much fucking same thing. I wish I could cut the lights out so you can see the light work, but it's frosty as hell. I would say it's about 4 weeks in the flower. We got some more time on it, of course. 4 weeks into flower here, but as we go over, actually, in this corner right here, at the beginning, I kind of added a little bit too much newts. But this is another one that I had in mother form. But this is a Mr. Grow It F3. And these I will be showing updates pretty soon. But these are in flower. Let me zoom in a little bit right here. Just now showing signs of flower. So I'll be showing more updates on that very soon. I even have more donuts triploid because I liked it that much. And guess what, guys? No herms. You know what I'm saying? I heard a lot about them. I had one or two, not gonna lie, but I also kept one or two because I know how to pay attention. But let's go around to other things right here. Most of these are my cherry pie crosses, like right here. This is a cherry pie crossed with Gary Poppins, which I can't wait for just because it's fucking, hold on. This shit's fucking frosty, it's chunky, it just looks fucking beautiful. We have one more of the Trop cookies cut. That shit's fucking beautiful. Trop cookies cut from Coco Indoors. I will always make sure that I got a couple clones. I gotta actually pick up a couple clones from him when he gets back, because that fool's out of town. He managed to set up a full irrigation system to where he can go out of town for 2 weeks. I don't know who the hell can do that, but full created it himself. Go check it out when you get a chance. Back here, hold on, let me get around. This is a beauty. Oh man. It's so funny. This plant, I didn't expect it to turn out purple. I saw the leaves turning out purple all the way, but I didn't expect the nugs to really, like, you know, change like that. And I smashed this one. Look at this. I smashed it between the fucking pole on the fucking tent. So I have to start taking care of these, trying to get these to finish out. Say another week or two, and we got the ball rolling on those. It's actually a cherry pie cross right there. And then we got another one. Ew, get that dog there. Alright. We got homie said if there's not dog hair in it, I don't want it. That's hilarious. Look at these, man. Look at these, bruh. They're fucking beautiful. I was telling the homie, this one might be my favorite looking, smelling, and like, bruh, this shit's like this shit could hurt somebody. There's another one just leaning over there. It's permanent chimera across the cherry pie. In case anyone's wondering, this is why I'm fucking pheno hunting. In case anyone's wondering why I started breeding, this is why I'm breeding. I didn't get this my first fucking seeds that I bought. I didn't get this with the first cross. I got this off of mix and shit that I liked and I felt like would make something better. Probably down the line, you know what I'm saying? But I advise, and I think other people should give it a shot. Over here, let me see, I'm start seeing if I can reach for these label tags so I can show you guys. Like this one. Permanent pie, and that is attached to this little thing right here. Keep it on the bottom of the 5 gallon. But yeah, that goes to this stalk, which goes to that plant I was just talking so much about. I'm calling it permanent pie right now, and it's or if you see me post the Last Supper, it's the same thing. And it's a permanent chimera across the cherry pie. It's fucking beautiful. Smells great. I just can't wait to try it. A lot of this stuff's coming very, very close to end. I got my Dante cross right here, which I didn't grow out that big. It was like a super tiny plant, but colors on that one too. Shit's crazy. Dante the cherry pie F1. None of these have been gone further than F1. They're all like F1s or something like that. Let me see. Get this out of there. You know what I'm saying? The Dante right there. Try to zoom into this. Looks like I'm using fucking some color changer. But nah, look at, I'm gonna put this next to all these green plants. Shit's fucking beautiful, son. You know what I'm saying? I'm not an asshole. Just ask me for a cut. Just ask me for a cut. I'm not a dickhead. And we got so much more in store. I really just haven't got a chance to go online, really. You know, I mean, film for YouTube, just because I was like dealing with life things, which is still in play. Dealing with a lot of stuff. So, only thing I could really come back to and relax and actually figure out what I need to do next with are these plants. And yeah, they've been getting me through a lot. I haven't really taken the time to show you guys much. Let me see. This is cool. This is super cool. I didn't see it right here. It's crazy that so many things are in here. I have these in a huge room, but like I said, relocating. Treating her like this because she's almost done. This is a fruit pie. This is fruit by the foot across to cherry pie. And this is, look at this. Crazy. Crazy. Fruit by the foot across to cherry pie. Beautiful. You guys are gotta remember, I'm literally using regs. I'm not really running too many films. I'll run films, I'm not against them, but you gotta do work. I probably pop like, depending on how many plants are in here, I have to pop like another 75%, you know? So I really do dislike when people try to discredit or, you know, something like some form of that, of how you're growing or if you're growing or what you're doing. Just fucking grow. You wanna grow one plant, grow one plant. Wanna grow more, grow more. But in my opinion, I think if you grow more, you'll be able to find more faster. A lot faster. I've threw out a bunch of plants. I've had problems with a bunch of plants. I had success with a couple plants. I lost them. Now, I learned how to deal with those problems. Towards plants that I did happen to save or crossed a couple of the plants that I lost before I lost them. So I was trying to bring back things that I know exactly what it's gonna give me, you know. We had a case of early frost, you know, every time. A little bit of early frost is all. Ugh. Yeah, this is it's been a little minute. A little bit of a minute. Let me see. So yeah, looking over this versus if you go back to like my first post, man, we're doing numbers. Getting way better at it. This is really just all personal fucking gratitude. What I want to get better at. Getting better at being patient. Getting better at. Let me say patience again, because cutting plants early, learning that you have to wait 10 weeks versus 8 weeks. If the pack says 8 weeks and you're thinking, oh, it says 8 weeks, so I have to cut it now. Like, no, there's more you have to learn every time. Learning cocoa versus soil. This has been a crazy transition. I'm trying to do both right now. I'm also running like synganics versus like organics. I was running organics at first. So I'm gonna probably be showing you guys a little bit of that. This is basically, like I said, new season, new way of recording. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more personal, a little bit more to you guys, but I'm in the middle of a transition, moving all my stuff, moving all my plants, changing my spot. Hopefully won't have to move out of state, but I don't know. We're trying to get this shit together. This gone forever. I got fucking hundreds of seeds. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what's going on. I'll show you guys a little bit more later, but hey, Grubs, anything you want to say to the people? Peace out. All right.